Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send PDF files via Gmail on mobile. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to send your PDF files to another recipient here, just through your phone, well, this one is quite easy. So first things first is you want to open up Gmail and you want to go and just compose a message or an email here. So let's go and go back into the main UI here, click on compose. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just select where you want to send this and add your subject and you can compose your email. But what's important here is going to be the attach button at the top right. As you can see, the send button has that attach button, so you can go and just press or click on it and just choose the option here that says files. Now this will redirect you into your recent files. Now what you need to do is you want to go and navigate to the actual location where you've stored your file. So you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top left of your screen, and you want to go ahead and navigate to documents, images, or videos. So if you want to see all your documents immediately. But if you're not sure, if you don't want to do that, you can go and click on the 3-dotted icon at the top right here, and you want to go ahead and just sort that out and just make sure to choose the appropriate one. So like for example, if your file name starts with an A, you can go and just do that. But in our case, let's go and just select the 3-bar icon. Let's go and just choose the documents option, and let's go and just open up downloads here. So since that's where our PDF file is, now let's go and click on our sample PDF file. Let's go and select that. As you can see, we've just attached our PDF file. You can go and just click on send at the top right here, and you should be able to send your PDF file. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.